This is a 2022 BMW K1600 Grand America, one of BMW's premier touring bikes slash sport touring bike. The main difference between the Grand America and the K1600B bagger is the Grand America has a tour pack, so you can store extra gear in it. Makes a nice backrest for your passenger, and it also has 4 speakers included in it. So it has a really great sound system. Now the color of this Grand American is a limited edition color called Manhattan Matte Metallic. Leave it to BMW to figure out how to make a matte paint job metallic. And that's what this bike is. It's just an incredible color. Now it has the 1600cc 6-cylinder engine. And for 22, they pumped up the horsepower and the torque a little bit. It's supposed to have 162, 163 horsepower, about 132 foot-pounds of torque. 6-speed transmission with a quick shift. So you can actually run up through the gears with this bike and not use the clutch, so you can go from stop to way fast really, really quick. If you're getting ready to go on a long trip and you're heading into the Twisties and need to cover some ground, this is a great bike to do it on. Comfort, safety features, incredible handling. This is one of those bikes you just think around a corner. Big 7-gallon tank. So you have a lot of range. Has kind of an aircraft style gas door on it. Electronic windshield, so you can find just the exact sweet spot. And then when you turn the bike off, the windshield lowers itself. Start the bike up, it goes back to its last position, so you don't have to fiddle with it again. Now this Grand America has an aftermarket windshield on it, so it's flared on the top and the sides for a little better wind protection. I can't really read the brand of it, but it starts with a Z. LED headlights that are adaptive, so they'll adapt for you going around the corner to keep the light where you need it on the road. Nice LED driving lights, LED turn signals in the front. A Sargent aftermarket dual heated seat has been added to this Grand American. It is a super comfortable seat, and the thing I really like about it is it comes with an adjustable rider's backrest that the standard Grand American does not come with the stock seat on it. And the passenger seat is a little bit bigger than the stock BMW Grand American seat. It has central locking. It has the new 10.25-inch TFT information onboard computer screen. So there's a lot of information that this will tell you, besides just your RPM, speed, and what gear you're in. 2 very big info screens, you know, for your average speed consumption, miles. A lot of information on this bike. Water temperature, outside temperature. Now this bike only has 1,291 original miles on the odometer. And what you can do is you can integrate your phone into this system, and that will integrate your GPS map into it also. Inside this compartment here, you can plug a USB-C into it and plug it into your phone, and it has air cool fan up in here to keep your phone cool. and hide your phone, or if you want to put like a RAM mount or something, you know, on your handlebar to hold your phone, you can just run the cord out to it. Really, really nice setup. Has adjustable levers, heated grips, of course, cruise control. It has hill start assist, so if you stop on a hill, you don't have to sit there and hold the bike up with one foot and have a foot on a brake and feather the clutch and the throttle to get going. You can just set it. The bike will sit there and not move until you're ready to go. It has automatic suspension adjustment and leveling. It has 3 performance modes: a rain, a road, and a dynamic. Instead of highway pegs, it has floorboards with an engine guard hidden underneath. Central locking. One cool feature that has been added to this Grand American is the 4.5-inch Freedom exhaust system. So you can actually hear this bike run, and boy, when you get on it, it sounds like a V12 Ferrari. It sounds really, really cool. Nice big LED lights in the rear. Very visible in the rear, very visible in the front. Just a great all-around sport touring bike. A little heavier on the touring with the better improved seat and the tour pack. But you can go out and run with the sport bikes. Rip the twisties on this baby. You're in the market for a awesome sport touring bike, take a good look at this 22 K1600 Grand American. I mean, it has all the options on it. Great power plant. Some nice accessories have been added. It's just a super touring bike that can go out and rip the twisties with the best of them. For information on how to put this beautiful Manhattan matte metallic Grand American in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now our prices are out the door. We don't charge what I call the mystery fees. There's no touring bike surcharge. There's no freight setup charges or prep charges. There's no title fees, dock fees. So you can save yourself several $1,000s. Take that savings and go on a road trip. Thank you for watching our video.